Hi, this is Ray Madrid once again with my last video for the MVC project. In this video I want to show you the implementation of the framework Ruby on Rails for my application. So let me start the server. I'm already inside the directory for my project. It's on my sites, Rails projects, and my project is called Learn Creative. So I'm gonna run Rails S to start the server. Get that running, and then let me go to my Firefox localhost colon 3000. Alright, we're in. So this is what I got going on here. Learn Creative. This is where I have a set of videos. It's a library of videos where the idea is that you sign up and you get to view all these videos for you to learn. I don't have the videos, it's just, just the titles, just to show you how this works using the framework. So if I click the call to action button here, it's going to take me to the sign up page. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And then use my credentials. Alright, I signed in. Now you notice that there was a button here for sign up. That's not here no more. Now we got to sign out because I'm already logged in. So, and this button right here, it's not going to take me to the sign up page anymore. It's going to take me directly to the videos. Okay, so here's my library. Signed in as Enox Laboratory. That's my email. And as you can see, I'm here pulling the titles of the videos from my database. Let me show you the database right quick. So as you can see, starting from drawing basics all the way to master customer service, which is this one right here. Let me see if I can actually delete this so you can see it update. Delete row. Okay. I'm gonna refresh this. Oh, it got deleted. As you can see, it's connected directly to the database. Okay, so each one of these video links, I can click on it, and now with the view template, I'm pulling the title of the video. This is like a dummy video that I put here, which is supposed to replace the URL of the actual video that I'm going to be implementing. I think that I'm going to be working on this project for the future. So if I hit play, it's something very basic, you get the idea. Alright, I'm pulling also the title here. The subject is art. I can edit the video. It can update the title, but I'm not going to do that right now. I can also delete. Actually, that's the thing that I still haven't got it working. For some reason, my CRUD, it was working on my previous Ruby project. I had everything working, but for some reason I still have to research more. I need more time to research on how to make this work on Ruby on Rails. But point is that it's reading from the database. So if I click on any one of these, it'll do that same view. It'll update the title and the subject depending on the subject that I'm in. Okay, you get the point. Same thing, back to library, go back home. I can sign out. Once I sign out, I get the sign up button back again, or I can sign in. However, let's say if I want to make a new, I'm gonna do dummy 2. I'm gonna call password 1 2 3 4 5. Confirm it 1 2 3 4 5. Sign up. Remember password. Oh, yeah, you got an error. It's too short. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For the password 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, sign in. Update password. Alright, now I'm inside as dummy2 at email.com. I can click on this and I can update my password. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Current password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Update. Alright, now let me sign out. Let me see if it works. Sign in. Sign in as dummy2. And just add a 9 because it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Sign in. It should work. I'm inside. Alright, so my basic functionality is working. The only thing is my CRUD, my read and everything is working. Edit. This is still not working. Flash basics for web 2.0. Whatever. That's the problem. And I think this has to do with my routes. Something's wrong there. I gotta fix, and I still need more time for research. Alright, now let me show you the code. So in my code here, let's see if I can start off with the actually I'm gonna start off with the database connection. Let me see. Inside my database, okay, as you can see, Ruby on Rails has a lot of folders. I mean, there's the way it's organized it's amazing how all this gets created when you run the Rails installer. But in here in my database YML, this is where I connect to the MySQL tool, my database name, my username, password, localhost, and my socket where the MySQL is located inside my local directory. Alright, that's the connection. And let's see, this is the videos controller. This right here, what it does before filter authenticate member, this is from the gem device. What it is that if a member if somebody tries to go into the library view without being signed in, automatically it's gonna take them into the sign in form, so they cannot have access to the library. So this is what it is. Now device, it's a gem installed for the user authentication. So sessions new, this is my login, this is where I got my my form, my sign-in form. You know, the label, email, your password, remember me checkbox, submit, which is going to take you to log it in. And if you don't have an account, go to the member sign up. And then let me see, registrations. This is where I got my view for the sign up. You know, same thing, email, password confirmation, and sign up. And if you already have an account, member sign in. So those are the views there. Let me show you. Okay, that's the authentication. Okay, here my controller, I have my library. Okay, this is where I show the videos. Now this instance variable here, videos, I'm actually pulling from the database all the videos in order, so it gets saved as an array. And there's sections. I'm doing a query where I'm selecting all the videos, and then it gets like art videos get saved if the subject name is art. Graphic videos get saved if it's graphics, etc. So this is where I do the query to select the subjects for each videos inside the videos array, all the videos. My show function here is gonna find whatever that video is by the ID. Edit, same thing, is gonna do the videos by the ID. Create video, new, and then I'm adding the title and the subject. Actually, I don't think I showed that, but the create is down here. You want to create a new video, you type it in. Of course, it's not working for some reason. I still can't get my CRUD. I don't think it's here. I think this is good. I think the problem is with my routes. And here's my update. Here, let me show you the routes. This is where the problem is, and I know something I need to research more on the post. This is for my view, the post, and the get is for the links. My post is for it to do an action, you know. So this is something, I don't know, but you get that fixed. So that's that. I want to show you the logic and where's my views? There's so many folders here. Views, layouts, application layout. Alright, so in my layout, let me see, here's my if and then if and else statement. If the member is signed in my navigation, I get the sign out link here, which is going to destroy the session. Otherwise, which is else, I get the sign in button or sign up, and then it ends it over here. This is what the header functionality does. Let's see my home. Let's go to the library. Also, in my library view, this is where I show all the videos. I have my art videos. You know, I'm selecting the array of art videos for each one in that array. I'm making a div with that little play PNG, that image, and I'm pulling that video title, of course, using that videos ID, and that's how I get an array of art videos. So I'm doing that for every subject: art, graphics, web, development, and business. Okay, and there's right here, there's a small, you know, signed in as a spam, current, member email. All these functions come with device gem, so that's where that's coming from. Show my show view. This is where I'm actually displaying the actual video. So I'm pulling that video title. I'm doing the video tag with that Learn Creative file of the video that you've seen, which is this big thing right here. And of course, the video title, the video subject's name, and let's say I want to edit. Here's it takes me to the edit route depending on the video I'm in, the video ID. And then here's the delete button, and there's an action here to delete. So that's what I got in my code. Of course, there's a lot of stuff here, like my CSS, my images, my video, the logo, the play, everything. Here's the controllers, videos controller, application controller, pages. Actually, I never used this pages. I gotta get rid of it. So this right here, the migrate. This is kind of like where I can add SQL queries using active record. This is the way Rails reads, like, for me to communicate to the database. Add a column. Okay, so my migrates. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, and one thing about these frameworks, I think that they help. They organize your code, but I still think that they're very abstract, and there's so much to learn. Back-end development, I think that while it plays such an important role in web design as a whole, definitely is something that I need to practice. And I believe it's all about making projects for myself, like just basic little things, and start building that experience and troubleshooting, debugging, and just to understand how things work, the logic, so that the mistakes I make, I won't have to do them again, or at least I know how to fix them because it has happened before. I think that's one thing that I need to build, is the experience. That has to do with time and a lot of practice. And this project with the videos, I think definitely this is one of those things that I want to pursue as a real project. I want to take this and make it a live project. I really want to do these videos. It's gonna be like my baby. I want to it's funny, but I really want to make this happen. Of course, it's not going to be called Learn Creative, but the idea is there. Hopefully in the future, I can finally sit down with more calm, without that pressure of time and turning in the assignments. I can sit down and really learn through all the videos and the tutorials, and learn this stuff, step by step. Because definitely I do want to learn this, more, and pursue this this part. I think this is an essential skill for web design. All right, that's all I got to say for today. I hope you enjoyed my project, my videos. Sorry for taking too long on these talks, but and I'm tired. I'm super sleepy. But thank you. Take care.